Damn. You know it gets kinda lonely in this business. I need somebody to be there. You know what?
I need a special girl. I'm looking for the one tonight. Type of chick to stand by my side. I need a special girl.